il serait bien étonnant.
You speak about winning as if it were a boxing match, and it would be quite surprising that it isn't the candidate who is going to win the election according to the polls, Emmanuel Macron. Why? Because since debates have taken place, and because we've studied the second round debates, it is always the one who is shown as winning in the polls who is considered as the winner in the debate. Is there a link? It's likely. In fact, people are more favourable towards one candidate, think that candidate is better during the debate, and in the end, the debate doesn't change the result of the election.
I'll watch it, yes. It was very disappointing 5 years ago. We'll see this time around. But it's always quite an important moment in French politics, so I'm keen to see what happens. It's always a boxing match, so we'll want to see it. So yes, I'll be watching.
I think it's about showing a posture. And I think that a lot of people will decide after this fight of words, which will change a lot of people's opinions, even if they are already decided.